one of the most highly anticipated technology exhibitions in the automotive industry, named Auto Shanghai 2025, took place in Shanghai, bringing together under one roof more than 1,000 automakers and tech companies from around the world. Over the course of 10 days, the event was attended by more than 1,200,000 people, including journalists, investors, engineers, designers, and key players in the global automotive scene. This event once again confirmed China's status not only as the largest automotive market on the planet, but also as an innovation hub setting the pace for the entire global industry. Auto Shanghai 2025 became an arena where the ambitions, technologies, and strategies of leading automakers clashed. Chinese brands presented dozens of models built on their own architectures, with levels of integration of artificial intelligence, autonomous systems, and energy-efficient platforms that were previously unavailable to the mass market. Electric vehicles with a driving range of over 1,000 kilometers, amphibious SUVs, concepts featuring drones, voice control, and full autonomous driving. All of this is no longer futurism, but a strategic development direction. The reaction from global competitors from Toyota to Mercedes-Benz was unequivocal. The growing technological and design strength of Chinese companies can no longer be ignored. Just 5 years ago, the Chinese automotive industry was seen as trying to catch up. Today, it is becoming a player capable of setting the rules of the game, especially in key areas such as electrification, artificial intelligence integration, and next-generation battery manufacturing. Auto Shanghai 2025 is not just an exhibition of new models. It is a strategic statement of China's intent, not to copy, but to shape the global automotive paradigm. While Western brands cautiously roll out updates and rely on brand recognition, Chinese manufacturers are moving forward with aggressive pricing, fresh ideas, and ultra-modern platforms. They aim not only to dominate at home, but are also entering the markets of Europe, Latin America, Southeast Asia, and the Middle East on a large scale, offering solutions that just recently seemed impossible. We have gathered for you all the most exciting innovations from the Chinese, and not only Chinese automotive industry, showcased at the exhibition. This is the first part of our video dedicated to Auto Shanghai 2025, the event that is reshaping the industry of electric vehicles. You are watching the Karos Show channel. Enjoy the video. At the Audi booth at the Shanghai Auto Show 2025, a striking premiere captured the attention of both brand enthusiasts and connoisseurs of modern electric vehicles. The spotlight was on the 2026 Audi E5 Sportback. The Audi E5 Sportback is the Ingolstadt brand's response to the rising demand for mid-size premium electric cars. Visually, the model continues Audi's signature design language with recognizable lines and flawless geometry, yet asserts its own individuality. Next-generation matrix LED headlights with animated welcome and farewell sequences add a futuristic and premium flair. Under the hood lies the latest PPE architecture, developed in collaboration with Porsche. The Audi E5 Sportback will be offered in several variants, from a rear-wheel drive base model to a high-performance all-wheel drive quattro version with dual electric motors and acceleration from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in under 4 seconds. The driving range on a single charge reaches approximately 600 kilometers, according to the WLTP standard, and the 800-volt system enables charging up to 80% in just 20 minutes at a high-speed charging station. At the Shanghai Auto Show 2025, the MG brand, owned by the Chinese automotive giant SAIC, unveiled an exclusive and impressive version of its electric roadster, the MG Cyberster EV Black Edition. This car quickly became the star of the booth, symbolizing the brand's shift from classic British sports spirit to a futuristic vision of mobility. First introduced in a production version only 1 year ago, the Cyberster rapidly gained global recognition as one of the most emotional and technologically advanced electric vehicles of the new generation. Now in the Black Edition, the model gains an even more expressive personality. At first glance, The car captivates attention with its deep black glossy body, featuring elegant chrome accents, aggressive front lighting, original aerodynamic solutions, and gull-wing-style retractable doors. All this creates the image of a sports coupe of the future, where the past meets innovation. Under the hood of the MG Cyberster Black Edition is an impressive electric powertrain. 2 electric motors with a combined output of 510 horsepower enable acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 3.2 seconds. At the International Shanghai Auto Show 2025, Mazda unveiled one of the most anticipated concept vehicles, the 2026 Mazda E60 EV, embodying the future of electric mobility with a unique Japanese spirit and technological distinctiveness. The EZ60 range-extended electric vehicle is a next-generation crossover designed with a focus on sustainability, practicality, and an emotional connection between driver and machine. Its elongated body proportions, visually lowered roofline, slim LED headlights, and minimalist lines give the vehicle a dynamic presence even when stationary. The standout feature of the Mazda EZ60 EV is its innovative powertrain, an electric motor paired with a new generation rotary engine that functions as a generator to extend driving range. This eliminates range anxiety while preserving all the benefits of pure electric driving: instant torque, silent operation, and environmental friendliness. GAC has unveiled the concept of its first pickup truck, the GAC Pickup01. This vehicle blends futuristic design with advanced technologies, offering a unique vision for the future of the pickup segment. The GAC Pickup01 stands out with its angular and muscular design, reminiscent of the Tesla Cybertruck and the GMC Hummer EV. The body is constructed from high-strength steel, while the front and rear feature continuous LED light strips for a bold visual signature. The interior of the GAC Pickup01 follows a double-cab layout, with a strong focus on comfort and technology. At its center is a widescreen display that integrates both the instrument cluster and the infotainment system. GAC plans to begin mass production of the Pickup01 in the year 2027, targeting international markets including Australia, Saudi Arabia, Chile, and Mexico. This concept highlights GAC's ambition to become a major player in the global electric pickup truck market. One of the most stylish and technologically advanced premieres at the Shanghai Auto Show 2025 was the new electric sedan, the 2026 Mercedes CLA 300 LEV, a true embodiment of modern elegance, engineering precision, and progress in the world of electric vehicles. Built on the innovative Mercedes modular architecture platform, the CLA 300 LEV is designed for maximum efficiency, comfort, and high safety standards. Its next-generation electric powertrain delivers a smooth yet dynamic driving experience, while the driving range reaches up to 650 kilometers, thanks to an advanced energy recuperation system and a lightweight yet robust body structure. The interior of the CLA 300 LEV is a showcase of digital minimalism and luxury. Dominating the cabin is the MBUX Superscreen, a panoramic display that integrates the instrument cluster, media system, and passenger entertainment. Smart lighting, atmospheric scenarios, adaptive seating, and meticulously designed sound insulation create an environment where every detail contributes to a sense of comfort. At the Shanghai Auto Show 2025, Chery made a major splash by unveiling its next-generation flagship SUV, the Jetour G900, which immediately earned a reputation as one of the most technologically advanced and unconventional sport utility vehicles ever created in China. This full-size luxury SUV, part of the premium Dongfang lineup, was designed with global markets in mind and is aimed at those seeking status, power, intelligence, and true versatility in a vehicle. The design of the G900 is bold and expressive, clearly inspired by the Mercedes-Benz G-Class, yet with a distinctly futuristic twist. Its massive front end, integrated LED lighting, angular lines, and elevated body geometry give it the appearance of an off-road hero from the future. Under the hood, the G900 houses a truly revolutionary powertrain, the CEMO hybrid system, which combines a 2-liter gasoline engine functioning as a generator with 4 independent electric motors responsible for all-wheel drive. The total power output of this setup reaches an impressive 1,572 horsepower, making the Jetour G900 one of the most powerful production hybrids in the world. However, the real sensation lies in its amphibious capabilities. Mounted at the rear of the vehicle are 2 turbine jet drives that enable movement across water at speeds of up to 8.5 kilometers per hour. At the 2025 International Auto Show in Shanghai, Honda unveiled its highly anticipated concept vehicle, the 2026 Honda GTE EV, which became one of the exhibition's true sensations. This electric car embodies the brand's new vision, a fusion of pure power, progressive design, and environmentally responsible engineering. Equipped with a dual-motor powertrain and an intelligent torque distribution system, the vehicle features all-wheel drive and accelerates from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in less than 4 seconds. Its maximum driving range exceeds 600 kilometers, making it not only sporty but also practical for long-distance travel. The interior of the concept is designed in a minimalist style, with an emphasis on premium materials and a digital eco-environment. At its center is a curved display that merges the instrument cluster and multimedia system, powered by artificial intelligence that adapts to the driver's habits. Among the most intriguing premieres of the Shanghai Auto Show 2025, special attention was drawn to the 2025 Huawei MXRO S800, a luxurious electric sedan that became yet another testament to the rapid advance of Chinese tech giants into the premium automotive market. The MXRO S800 is built on Huawei's proprietary Intelligent Drive 1 platform, with a motion control system powered by artificial intelligence integrated with Harmony OS at its core. The sedan is equipped with 2 electric motors featuring intelligent torque distribution, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 4.2 seconds, while offering a range of more than 700 kilometers on a single charge. The cabin is a true technological lounge, blending natural materials with smart interfaces. A panoramic OLED display embedded in the dashboard works seamlessly with a holographic projection system and a voice assistant powered by Harmony OS. Each seat offers independent climate control, massage, and lighting settings, while the sound insulation is engineered to a level comparable to that of concert halls. At the Auto Shanghai 2025 exhibition, Dongfang unveiled its latest innovation in the premium SUV segment, the Warrior M817 PHEV. This vehicle combines military-grade toughness with advanced intelligent technologies, offering a unique driving experience both in urban environments and off-road conditions. The exterior of the Warrior M817 makes a bold impression with its massive stance and aggressive lines, evoking the image of futuristic combat vehicles. Built on the Tianyuan architecture, the Warrior M817 features a plug-in hybrid powertrain that pairs a turbocharged 1.5-liter gasoline engine with 2 electric motors, delivering a combined output of over 700 horsepower. This enables the SUV to deliver exceptional performance on both highways and challenging terrains. Inside, the Warrior M817 blends luxury with functionality. High-quality materials, ergonomic control layout, and state-of-the-art infotainment systems create a comfortable and sophisticated environment for both driver and passengers. At the Shanghai Auto Show, Toyota unveiled its new fully electric crossover, the Toyota BZ5, the latest addition to the Beyond Zero lineup, reflecting the brand's commitment to a carbon-neutral future. The model was developed in collaboration with FAW Toyota and BYD, combining Toyota's renowned reliability and engineering with BYD's cutting-edge battery technology. The new BZ5 features a modern yet minimalist design, smooth aerodynamic contours, slim LED lighting, flush door handles, and floating body lines that create the image of a progressive yet practical electric vehicle. It is equipped with front-wheel drive and an electric motor producing 272 horsepower, enabling acceleration from 0 to 100 km per hour in approximately 7 seconds. Beneath the floor sits an LFP battery pack that offers a driving range of up to 630 km under the CLTC cycle. The top speed is limited to 160 km per hour, a balanced choice for both urban and suburban driving.